A good way to look deeper at acceptance is to think about anything you're trying to internally cling on to. So if you think, for example, oh my God, my relationship, what's going to happen in my relationship? Oh my God, what if I've cheated? What if they've cheated? Anything that puts your relationship in jeopardy. Your relationship is going to be gone in the future. You're going to be gone. Everyone you love is going to be gone. Everything you care about is going to be gone. That's the reality of it. If you go on a long enough time scale, everything you care about is gone. So therefore, you've got to start thinking, how will generations, 4 generations from now, remember us? Think about just the most famous people you can think of from the 1800s, 1900s, right? How much are people thinking about them day to day, all the time? Not much. Not much at all. Maybe their work, maybe their music. They think about them from time to time. But in reality, how much are we thinking about a guy who worked in a market stall in 1621 in Hungary? We're not. We're not thinking of that person. We don't even know who they were. Completely forgotten into the abyss of time. So everything you're mentally clinging on to, worried about, think, I can't live without that, it's so unbearable. We are usually over-catastrophizing this because at the end of the day, everything fades away. You start noticing that, you lose that inner control. You lose that internal clinging. You work towards your goals, you love and have compassion for others and the things you care about. But the internal clinging, the desperation, fades.